Stop it, Grace.
Tell them what you're doing.
They'll see.
She's putting a diaper on my dog.
She won't put her butt in it.
You don't know how to put a diaper on?
Yeah.
Look at the torture.
She won't stay still.
Stay still, Grace. She's like, what torture is this? That's backwards. You're such an idiot.
Oh, it is?
It is backwards.
Okay.
Wait, she's gonna move.
No, she won't.
Yes, she will. Look at her. She's not a baby. My dog is black. I don't think you can see her.
Okay.
Don't have children, honey. Alright, lift her up. Let her get up. Oh, go show her. Go show her to mom. Go show her to mom. Go show her to mom.
She wants to chew it out. I want to see how she walks with it. Oh my god. Wait, keep it on. Gotta keep it on you. Go. Now give me the
She's gonna take it.
Come here.
Say bye. Turn on the light. Oh my god. She wants to chew that thing that very much bothered her. Oh my god, Grace, you're just hitting your face everywhere.
Don't bite me.
Grace, say bye, Mama.
Alright, Daddy, stop. Leave her alone.